Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 8 hacks, tips, and tricks that you can use around the house to make your life a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and get started. Number 1. If you don't know what to do with the hot grease that comes from frying stuff in a frying pan, this will be perfect. Depending on how much grease you have, you can put it in a bigger bowl or a smaller bowl, but you line the bowl with aluminum foil and then you pour your grease into the bowl. Now once your grease is in there, you just let it sit, and once it is solidified, you just take the aluminum foil out, ball it up, and throw it right in the trash. Number 2. All right, you might have seen this handy dandy little trick already, but I have never really been able to open this without grabbing this with my teeth. So you just open the cap and there is this little thing right here. And you just punch it down in there, give it a twist, and it's open. Much easier and probably better for my teeth than opening it with my teeth. Number 3. When I'm doing my laundry and I empty out the laundry basket, I always spray it with some kind of Lysol or disinfectant just to get rid of any smell or any mildew from wet towels. Number 4. I really hate the look of the cords from my hairdryer and my flat iron. So to remedy that without having to put it up every time, I just bought a cute little basket. And so when I'm finished using my hair tools, I put the cords in the basket and then I put the flat iron and the hairdryer in there, and it keeps it all contained within the basket, and it's easy access when I need it again. And it looks so much better than the cords hanging out all over the place. What do you think? Number 5. Okay, for this little hack, I have a medicine bottle, and it comes with this seal on it. And I don't know about you, but I have a hard time opening it without scissors. But if you look, the cap that comes on this has, I don't know if you can see it, has a little lip right there. You can just take the lip, poke it down in, grab it right, poke it down in the cap, twist it around, and you have it open. And you just pull it off. So yeah, you don't have to go look for scissors. Number 6. Lampshades do get dirty and you do need to clean them. So what I use is this sticky lint roller with the little sticky sheets, and I just run it along the outside of the lampshades and the dust comes right off, as you can see. Number 7. This one's probably my favorite because it's also a money saver, but these Euro pillow inserts can be pretty expensive. I found this one on Amazon and it was $21. So instead of, and I needed 3, so instead of paying $63, I went to Walmart and I bought these inexpensive, the cheapest little standard pillows that they have. I think they were $2.97 each, and I bought 2 for each of my Euro shams, and I was able to fit 2 of the standard pillows in each sham. And once I closed it up and turn it around, you can't tell that it's 2 pillows. It looks like 1 Euro sham. So instead of it being $63, I paid 3 times 6, $18, so less than 20. And finally, number 8. This little tip is for your closet organization. So we used to use large hangers like this one to hang, my husband used them to hang his pants on, but when you have a lot of them and you hang them on there, they end up sliding to one side, and then you have them bunched, and your hangers are uneven. So what we started doing is using the baby hangers. And when you use the baby hangers, they are the perfect size for the pants, so they're not going to slide, and they hang up easily, and all of your pants stay nice and neat. So use those baby hangers. If you use any of these in your house, let me know in the comments below, and let me know which ones you're gonna try today. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing and becoming part of my YouTube family. Don't forget to click the like button because it lets YouTube know that you're watching my channel. So with that said, I will see you next time. Bye.